Hello everyone, today we're here with number 19 on practice test number 4. It is an algebra problem which asks us to correctly express w in terms of x and y. You see we have w here in a square rooted mess and we need to isolate it. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is not get tricked by the fact that these are different variables. This can still be simplified. 2x over y. So let's go ahead and rewrite the right side just so we don't get visually lost. Okay. Now that we have that, the next step is going to be to divide both sides by 2. Why? Because remember, these essentially exist in two sets of parentheses that are multiplying with each other. So to isolate w and get it out of the right side, we divide both sides by 2 and end up with x over y equals square root w plus 19. Okay, now that we have this is looking a lot more manageable, but we still have w in this square rooted mess over here. So we're going to go ahead and square both sides. By squaring both sides, w is now out of the square root, and it looks a lot more doable. All that's left to do now is subtract 19 from both sides, and we've successfully isolated w to be completely on its own.